Hi, my name is Lauren Nickerson and I am with the ORVSD as a Google trainer, and I teach at Mazama High School in Klamath Falls, Oregon. Today you're going to learn how to create a favicon for your Google site. What is a favicon? It's also called a page shortcut or a bookmark icon. It has to have a file type of ICO, and we're going to use it to help market your web page and make it memorable. As you're designing your favicon, as I said, you want to make sure it's memorable. It also should be simple, not overcomplicated. And whatever you choose for your design, it should reflect your website or your brand. There are 3 steps to creating a favicon. First, you have to make it. Then we will load this file up onto your Google site. And finally, we want to make sure that the favicon is working by making a shortcut on our desktop. There are many different ways to create a favicon. You must make sure it has an ICO file. It measures 16 by 16. One of the easiest ways to create a favicon is to use an online site. My favorite tool is favicon.cc. When we open up favicon.cc, you can register for an account, or you can just do it without creating an account. It will bring up a drawing board. You'll use a marker to select colors and slowly add in pixel by pixel. I've speeded it up as I've created an apple for my favicon. You can erase, change color, and all the time preview your design below and what it will look like. When you're finished, download the favicon onto your computer. It will show up as an ICO file and will properly download to a predetermined folder. Make sure you remember where that folder is so you can find it later. Now it's time to load it onto your Google site. Make sure you are logged into your Google Apps account and then go under More Actions. Pull down to Manage Site. This will take you into the management area of your Google site. We're going to attach this file, so we want to go to Attachments, and we want to make sure there are no other ICO files in here. You will upload your file, browse for it on your computer, select it, and then upload. You should see your ICO file in your Attachments directory. When you are finished, you can go back to your website, and you should right away see a change in the icon at the top. It may not be reflected in the URL when you are logged in or on a secure site. I'm going to check and make sure that my ICO file is working by logging out, copying, and pasting the site address in. I can still see my favicon. I'm going to go further by creating a shortcut on my computer. This is a great way to market your favicons. Now I see my favicon showing up on my computer, and I can make a link for any student to use. Thank you for learning how to make a favicon with me today and for joining the ORVSD.